So you found the house that you love? Great location, great bones, but it needs some upgrades? I've got a solution for you.
So you found the house that you love, but it needs some updates. Put your own personal touch on it. It might be changing out the well-worn carpets, or maybe the seafoam green counters have to go.
With a Purchase Plus Improvements mortgage, customizing your dream home is simpler and more affordable than ever before. You can buy a new home and pay for its renovations with one convenient mortgage and with as little as 5% down.
This program, Purchase Plus Improvements, allows you to buy your new home and roll the cost of renovations into one neat and tidy package. It's all in your mortgage.
You can take advantage of low mortgage interest rates and the simplicity of a single payment. You'll be able to get started on your improvements immediately after taking possession of your new home.
The second step is to assess what types of renovations you want to do on your new home, and then you'll need to get a rough quote on what these renovations are going to cost for you.
We will need written quotes, so don't forget those. Now that you have your quotes in hand, it's now time to revise your mortgage amount. When it comes to Purchase Plus Improvements, you need to know that there's usually a maximum with all lenders. They all sit around about $40,000. You have to have the means to pay for your renovations up front. Then you're reimbursed.
So you own your new home and the renovations are complete. Now an appraiser comes by to verify that the renovations have been done as specified.
Final step, contacting your lawyer or notary to release funds.
So if you've got more questions about the Purchase Plus Improvements program, give Anna a call. She'd be happy to walk you through the steps.